Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make banana and aloe vera popsicle. It's very easy. Anyways, I already prepared the bananas. They're all cut, and I also scraped the white stuff that was inside the banana peel. As you can see, it's very thin now, and this is what the white stuff looks like. And anyways, I will put it in the mixer, and then I prepared already some aloe vera gel. I took the poison out. You can check my other videos how I do that. And now I'll add some almond milk in it. It makes it very nutritious. Mix more. And actually, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the aloe vera gel in it. I'm going to make lots of popsicles. Okay, now this is mixed, and I have my mold here. This is a heart shape. It's those kind of a type of plastic mold. I really love those because popsicles are so easy to come out of those molds. Anyways, I'll show you what I do. And then when it's freeze, you can take the popsicle out of these and put it in a plastic container and put it back in the freezer. And whenever you feel like having a popsicle, you just take a popsicle out. And that's what I do. I just fill a little plastic container, and I have all kinds of popsicles in there that I make. They're much better than what we buy at the store. There's no food coloring, no sugar added to it. Then I put popsicle sticks like this. It's very easy. And it tastes so delicious. And children love these popsicles too, so it's good to introduce children at early age to healthy version of popsicle and stuff like that. Anyways, you can look in the description below. You might find information there that might be helpful for you. If you have any question, please message me. I'll do my best to answer your question. And I wish everyone bright blessings.